Okay, so I'm really excited to be stuffing my Target expenses. And for those who are new, I have this template to help me with my goals. So people people were confusing that this Target expenses were for the shop Target, but it's actually not. I wish I actually had all of this money, a tune of $10,000, going to Target. Like, I would be pretty much a kid at a candy store. Yeah, I wish, but unfortunately not. So this is what I'm calling the challenge. I think it's a challenge because this is pretty much based on what I can do with my finances. So this is a Target challenge for the expenses for next year for me and my family. So we've done the Netflix, we've done YouTube, and we've done car service, which I have put all of the money into an envelope, which I already had in I just have these envelopes already, and I've just repurposed it and sealed it up, put that in, and that is done. So I'm just gonna leave it to the side here. Now, we were trying to get this one sealed up. Clearly we had money missing as well, so let's quickly count how much we have in here. So we have $4, and let's count. Okay, so we had $4 here, so let's count. 51, 52, 50, 70, 90, 310, 30, 50, 70, 90, 410, 30, 50, 70, 90, 500, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 600, 10, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 70. So $674. So I'm going to quickly use my calculator. 674, and we need 754, so we're missing $80 from this envelope. Now, I didn't realize how many small change I had in here, so I really do want to swap these out for bigger change. So this money here is a bonus money, and this money comes from my partner's tax money. So he just received it. So we're going to put all of his tax money into this challenge. So I'm going to quickly take that, put that all in there. So I'm going to take 750 out. So 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. Okay, 750 right there. Okay, so 750 right here. And 754. So I'm going to put that into the envelope. We have finally completed this one, thank goodness. And let's get that one down. So we are done with my car insurance. Let's quickly tick that one off. So 754 is done. So the next one is my car registration, $760. So let's just take this money out. Okay, so let's just separate them. Okay, so 760, let's take some 50s and let's count. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 5750 with a 10, so $760. So I've made this one up. So this is for my car registration for 2022. Little froggy here, and for 12 months it will cover. So 760, which we are done. Thank goodness. Oh my god, one envelope down. How exciting is this? $760. Woo! Super happy about that. And let's mark that one down as well. Okay, so the next one is his car registration, $100. Now I don't think there's 100 here. I just want to actually take out money from my Target envelope that we have been putting in, which is, let's count together. So 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 810, which actually works out perfect. So I'll take that one out, and the registration is $800. So I'll put the 10 back. And this is $800. This is exciting. I didn't actually plan on that. So we've just made his car registration done. So I've pre-done this already, guys. It just saves time, and honestly I was just excited to put stickers on. Put little cute little animal stickers on. So this has a really cute little baby whale. So this is done for his car registration, which is amazing. So 800 done. So let's put that, let's tick that off. So the next one is his car service, which is $800. So let's make that up with the 50s first. So 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 750, 90, 800. But I do want to keep the small notes. So I'm going to swap these small notes with the 50s that I have lying around. So I'll quickly come back. Sorry, so I am back. So this is the 50 here. Let's quickly count together that we have $800, and I've swapped out majority of the money that I had here with the 50s that I had. So 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 50, $800. So let's put that into his envelope. Sorry, right there. So okay. So make sure his car service, $800, which is done. Oh my goodness. Oh, you have no idea just the feeling of just having money, knowing that money is, you know, for this particular payment for next year, and it's for the whole year. Like, it's just honestly a dream come true. I never thought I would be in this position. Making some dirt on my... Quickly tick that one off. I'll tick that on here. Okay. So with my house and with the house that we're living in, this payment is for the house insurance. Now, if you did watch my last cash envelope stuffing, I did tell you guys that we are definitely thinking, possibly we're leaning towards, yes, we are moving. So I don't think I think I'm going to just take that one out, and I'll just save it as we go by, because yeah, it's just yeah, it's an awful thing to talk about, really. So yeah, so the next thing I want to, that's on the list, is this car insurance, sorry. So this is for his car insurance, which is 1,118. So let's count together what we have left over. So we have 51, 52, 53, 50, 70, 60, 70, 370. Let me use the calculator. So 1118, take 370, 700, roughly $750 I will need to put in. And I will put this, just so I don't put it into this envelope, I'm just gonna stuff this into my Target envelope, just so it's all sitting together and I know that this is for the next bill. Expenses. Okay, so we did tick off a lot in this bonus video. We did complete my car insurance, and we've ticked the 3 payments here. We have crossed this one out, and we've got the 3 big ones that we need to save. I still got my tax that I need to do, so hopefully that will get one of them down. We're starting to save for this car, his car insurance. So realistically, I'm thinking maybe I just have to save this big one, which is power and water. So yeah, but at the same time, I don't know where we're going to be next year. So it's like, but I'm just going to save it anyway. So yeah, thank you for joining me in today's video. I really do appreciate just the support, and I really do feel blessed enough to be able to, you know, save for next year's bills as one of my finance goals for this year. And if you are interested in this template, it is on my Etsy store. So just check out the link provided in the description below. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, because really I do appreciate it. And I'm excited. I've got, you know, hopefully my tax will cover, you know, one of the Target expenses, and hopefully we can smash out the rest of this using my normal cash envelope stuffing. So yeah, I'm excited. And And thank you for joining me. Because this is a bonus video, there is no magic word. So thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye!